Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Rohit. When we install an app and we try to open it, normally it opens up easily, but sometimes it doesn't. And if we have an important work regarding to that app, we get super frustrated. There are different reasons behind this situation. In this video, I'm going to give you all the reasons and solutions. So stay with me and let's get started. Sometimes what happen guys, when we try to open and install app, it doesn't open or it get crashed often or sometimes it doesn't respond. So follow these simple steps, this might get job done. Restart your phone. Restart your phone and then try to open that app. It should open normally. If it doesn't, then try this next step. Update the app. If update is available, then you can update the app. In this scenario, developer might have tried to eliminate some issues regarding to the previous version for working the app even smoother. So try this, but still app doesn't work, then you can go to the next step. Uninstall the app. Uninstall the app and then install it again and then try again. If problem is continue, then try next trick. Clean apps cache and data. You can simply go to the settings or long press on the app's icon, information, then click on the storage usage. Then you can see here, first try to clear cache and then see is it working or not. If no, then clear data also. But you should be careful here because system will permanently remove all on this app's data which cannot be recovered, like your all files, settings, database, etc. In most of these steps, problem gets solved. I have tried this many times, but still you are facing issues regarding to the app, then you can contact developer. So I hope you found this video knowledgeable. If yes, please give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how do you feel about it. If you don't like this video, you can also thumbs down. And as usual, thank you for watching. See you soon.